are given 0 index binary string, that is s and target of the same length, means their length is same. You can do the following operations s on s any number of times. The first is choose two different indices I and j, where j is greater than or equal to 0 and j is less than n. Okay, so simultaneously replace s of I where with what s of I or s of j, right? Like char at what I, we have to do or with what s of j, correct? With we can do s of I XOR s of j, right? We can do this, and this we can apply on our two string characters, right? So you can do these operations any number of times to make this string equal. Got it? So there is example, it is saying, let's read the example. Example is saying we have given a string 0 1 1 0. This string is given. So and you can choose I equal to 0 and j equal to 2. So if we'll consider this number I equal to 0 and I equal to 2, this one, right? So if we do the operations, right, to we do apply, right? So s of 0, if we want to replace, right, so what we have to do, we have to make or, right? So if we'll do s of 0 and s of what, 2, between that we have to do or, right? Sorry, do or, then what we have, this s of 0 is 0 and s of 0 is 0, correct? So we have applied this one and it will come what, the value, its value is saying, see here, s of 0 or s of 2, if we'll do, it will come what, 0. Then you can apply again or 2, right? So if it will come 0. So this result, if you'll apply again with or with some value, correct, like this one, so it will come some value, right? Like this we can apply there, here, like we will get 1, so we will apply, right? Similarly it is saying with s2 you can do the XOR, right? So if s2 is given, suppose s2 is given here, so we can apply s of 0, like XOR will do, and we'll make this like this string, correct? So we have to return true if you can make the string s equal to the target, and otherwise you will return the false. So as in this example, s is given, target is given. Now we have to make s equal to what? Target. If we can make, then we have to return true, else we have to return false. So let's choose this example, right, and consider this one. So we have given first s is given, we have to make s, means we have to apply on this one. So as you can see, first what we are doing, we are choosing I equal to 2 and j equal to 0. So let's make it, so what we have given, 1 0 1 0 we have given. So at I, what we have, you can see, if we'll do 1 if you will apply, right, so what will happen, so at position 0 what we have, 1, so it will become, if we'll apply 1 at, sorry, 1 and the next value at j, what we have at j, that is we have 1, correct, 1. So what will come, it will come 0. And if we'll make next, right, at the last position, what will come, it will come, if you'll apply with right, that will come here, if you'll see here, this one. So similarly we can make for s again 2 times and it will become 0 1 1 0. We have to apply and or. So I'll give you the one example here, you will understand. So let's see here. Okay, what I'm saying, first suppose we have given a string s equal to 1 0 1 0. What we have given, 1 0 1 0 given. We have to make this string as equal target, this one. So first what we have given, we have a string s caret 0, right, means we are talking about this one, correct? So what we have got, we have got 1, correct? So at char s at 1 we have given, s at char 0 we have given 1. So if I apply equal to 1, so it will give 1. That is true, right? So that's why we have true now. Okay. Now we will check in the target, right? So if target have 0 at that position 1, then both combination we will make. Otherwise, what we will do? We will check like target we have, right? We have checked target. What we have got? We have got 0. So now we will check if that is coming. So no. So we have got here true we have got, but here we got false, correct? We don't have at that position 1. We don't have. That is we have 0 there. Now again we will check at 1 when this is where we are passing I, right? We are incrementing like this. Okay. Now we got the next position 0. So we can see this we got 0. At here if you see we have got 1, right? So this will come false this time and this will come true this time, correct? Because target at 1 we have 1, but target sorry s at 1 we have what 1. We don't have 0, we have. That's why we are getting false and we are getting true. Similarly, we'll check what we will check s character and we'll check this one. Okay. So finally when we come here, right, this one, so what we have here, we are getting true, right? Similarly we are getting true here. Like this we will get our false and false like this one. Okay. So if we have the flag, that will we are maintaining, right? So let's we have taken flag, what we have flag 1 and we have flag 2, right? We have two flag. So first when this is coming true, right, initially its value is false, this value is false, right? So we will update this one each time. Okay. So I'll take F1 here, flag 1 and F2 here. I'll mapping this one F1 and F2, you can say, correct? So first time it is coming true, so I'll put true. Second time sorry, false here coming, so I'll give false here. We're maintaining table, let's suppose. Again it is coming false this one, so I'll cut this, I'll say this is false. Now this is true, so we will take this this is false, right? So we have make this time it is coming true, so I'll say this is true now, right? Next time again it's come what true, so I'll cut this and say true. This is coming true, so I'll say this is true, no problem, it will remain same. And next time it is coming false, so I'll cut this, I'll say false. Next time this is coming false, so this is also false, right? So finally we have false false. So if we'll do f and f, false and false, then we will get what true, correct? So you can see that we got true, and that's why we will return here true, because if we apply single one only, right, then we will get here this one, correct? So I think you have understood this question. Let's go to the coding part, right? So what we have here, we have given s, we have given, and target we have given, right? So first we will check if both string are equal. It means let's suppose we have given 0 0 0 0 in s. This is the character we have given, and target we also have given like 0 0 0 0, correct? So both are same, right? So if we'll check the content of this one and content of this one, right, so it is correct, right? That's why we can say that this string we are equal, right? So we will make s dot equals equal to this. If we want to compare the two string, then we have to say two string object, these are object, right? Two string object. So we will check s dot equals equal to target. If it is equal, then we will return true. So we have taken flag 1, flag 2 we have taken, right? Now what we will do, we go to the loop, right? We'll start, we know that both length is what same length we have given, right? Now what will happen, if I'll start with I equal to what 0 to length, right? So length is same for this one and this one, so we can make only one loop and that will work. After that we will go into here. What we will do, first check we will make on the string s, and we'll check if s at char at I we have what 1, then we will update our flag true, correct? Here we are updating flag. Again we will check in the target at the same index we will checking target. We first we check here, right? Then we will check here also, then we will check this is character, then we will this character. Like this we will and to the last position, right? So we have checked and we have updated our flag, right, each time. Now what will happen after the, we will come here, right? So we are here, just like previously we are here, right? So we will come to here, our final flag value will be here. So once for loop is completed, we will check both with the AND operator. I will say if flag 1 has false and flag 2 is also have flag, like we have in the last, right? This one, F and F. So we will get here true. It will return true, right? This value will return true, and that's why I'm saying if this condition, if flag 1 and flag 2 have true, means we have to return true, otherwise we will return false. So this is the simplest example we have, right? So as you can see here, we are not taking any extra spaces, right? And we are going to what, all character we are checking. So in the worst case, we'll say maximum O of n will be the time complexity TC, and if we go through space complexity, right, space complexity, it will be around 0 of 1. We are not taking extra spaces, right? Not, we are not taking extra spaces only. So I think you have understood this question. If you like this question, please hit comment and subscribe this channel for the more upcoming videos. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for your support and love for this channel.